Oh, beautiful. This looks pretty. This looks pretty. This is something. Let's check the volatility checker. Let's quickly check 1 minute time frame. Let's see. It looks like it's good, guys. It's looking good. I think we can take it. We should be able to take it. I will take it. Why not? It looks good. Looks good. Everything's in place. Let me check. What is it? It's 66. Let's pick $50 worth of that. Let's go with it, babies. Let's go. GRT, are you going down? It looks like it's not going down. It's going up. So we have to cancel. We have to cancel. We've got to cancel. We have to cancel. So we need to pick the higher one. We have to pick the higher price. All right, let's go with that. So I just bought it at the higher price right now, so that we can actually quickly. Okay, GRT is a very good project, right? Oh, see it. That's a 1 minute anyway. GRT, you know about the developer that did it, that's doing it? The only thing is that I should have been normally I always like the what's it called now, the parabolic size should be at least 3 or 4. Reason being that you're not sure whether it will change its mind and start coming. But the only reason why I took it is because it's been I'm seeing it going up in an upward trajectory. So great. GRT is looking good. Let's go and do this in convert. So we're going to put it in convert limit as always. I'm putting all the second legs in convert. How much did we even buy? Sorry, I need to go check that. That's very important. We need to know how much we bought segments. Oh God, I don't like all these two segments, but no problem. 28, 21, that's 49, 49.83. 49.83 is what we bought. Okay, let's go ahead and see. 49.83 is what we bought. So let's go. And then we put it in limits. And then we take the GRT. And then we change that to USDT. Okay, so as we speak, we put in the max, and then we put this at 4. Let's see what 4 is going to give us. Okay, 4 is giving us what is that? 4, 4, 5. Oh, what am I doing? 4, 1. Oh my God, 4, 1, 4, 405. 406. I think I'm cool with this. Just a little bit extra over $1. That's fine. Let's go with that. Let's see how GRT will perform. And guess what? As always, I want to get started with good news. I love to get started with good news because good news makes the world go round. Okay? So as you can see here, this is GRT, and one of the coins that we're supposed to get, executed, right? And as you can see, it has already executed. I just wanted to show you the charts. Oh my God, everywhere is looking green. Things are pumping. Things are going well. That's glorious. We thank God. We always love it, when we have an opportunity, right, to see our trades execute. That's always beautiful, right? Always beautiful, always beautiful. So let me go into the main place and show you what has gone on. We have GRT that has executed, and that's beautiful. So let's quickly take a good look at all the parameters that we have to see and explain concerning the trade. So first off, let's go into the trade history. Okay, so I'm just checking out how much did we buy GRT. All right, so I'm just checking. Okay, yeah, we bought it at 39.55, and we bought, I think we bought 49. Am I sure? Let me check it again. $49.83. Yes, $49.83. That's how much we bought. So we bought it $49.83. Yeah, $49.83. That's how much we spent on it. And we actually, I think we made a profit. Yes, we actually adjusted it. If you go check. So as you can see here, we bought it $49.83. Let's go into the convert section just to quickly check, right? So I'm back in limits just so that we can quickly check how much this got executed. GRT, yes, we adjusted it. You know, it was supposed to give us 51, slightly something above that, but I just had to adjust it so that we're sure that we wouldn't get ourselves stuck. As you can see here, we got $50.84, but what we put into it was $49.83. So it's just like about $1.01. So we're going to use that. Quickly go and check what the calculations are. So as you can see here, the calculations are well, that's $1.01 really. We don't need to give ourselves too much stress. So that would be let's see, $49.83 times, is it 2%? Yeah, 2.1. No, 2.05, 2.01. I think 2.002, 2.03. Yes, something like this. That's $1.01. So that's 2.03%. I just wanted it to be just, exactly in the range of maximum $1. The whole idea is so that we can get our trades executing fast. We don't want any waste of time. We want our trades to be very fast, execute without much stress. That's why we put it at that. And we don't want a case where we'll be wasting time, So I said, okay, during this bear period, we just want to make sure that our trades quickly execute.